Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the currency on Alibaba using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings or account settings depending on your app version. This is where you can manage your preferences. Scroll down until you see currency, tap it and you will see all list of available currencies. Choose the currency you want. Once you tap it, Alibaba will update all prices in the app to your selected currency. This makes shipping more easier because you will know exactly how much it costs. After selecting your currency, go back to the home screen and start browsing products. You will see all prices automatically converted, so no need to calculate anything yourself. And that's it. Changing the currency on Alibaba on your iPhone is quick and simple. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.